Want to know how to find Facebook QR code? You would want to find Facebook QR code as these features offers a convenient and a fast way to connect with others. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find QR code in Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top of your screen. Your search for QR code. At the top, you can see the QR code option. Tap on it. Finally, here you can either scan the code or share your code. So this is how to find Facebook QR code. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.